Hey friends, today in this video I'm going to create a div with a pointer. So as you can see the example on your screen, I have written some content in a div where the div at the bottom have a pointer where my cursor is lying. So we are going to create this, but before this I have provided the source code of this tutorial in the description. Please check it out. If you find some bug or error, please comment it down. So for this you have to come to your desktop. Here I have a folder named div with pointer. So on clicking on it you can find two things. First one is the index.html for markup and second one for styling or markup. So let's open the code editor, and in the code editor I have written all the basic syntax required to create my markup. So as you can see here, and then I have linked my CSS file in the head section, and here I have given a title to my document. In the style.css I have written nothing for styling my markup. Here in the index.html in the body section, create a div of class container. Here in this put a simple heading and then write any heading, like I have written simple heading by Saste Coder. So after this create a paragraph. Here in this write the dummy paragraph or lorem ipsum. I have written it twice so that I want content more in my div. So after saving it, let's preview with the live server. Here is the result that we have written in our markup. So it is 100%. Then in the style.css in the body section put the margin 0 and then padding is 0 so that our content will be at the top left corner. Here in the font family will be sans serif. Font size will be 20 pixels so that it will be visible from far away. And then just creating the background so darken that it will be looking attractive. This has been darkened, but this still the color of our text is black, so I have created it to white so that it will be more attractive. Then here in the div of class container I am putting the position absolute to align it to the center. So here I have written top 50%, left 50%, and transform, translate -50% and -50%. All we know that this is required to center our div. So as you can see the till condition. Now put a border of 2 pixel solid white around it. Here as you can see the preview. Now put some padding of 20 pixel so that the content will be shrink inside. Here copy this class. You can put border radius also, but I am not taking border radius because I personally do not recommend border radius because at the some time you may create, but this time this don't require. So here in the container I have content is nil and top left means at the top left corner, and here width is 30 pixel and height is 30 pixel, but still the thing is not come. Here I put in the position absolute, and then also it is not working. Here check it whether it is working or not. I have written the all the things which are required to create this thing, but still my cursor is not here. Putting the color F, it is still not working. Then here I have inspected in this, go to that before class I have just I have created. So in this, after selecting, as you can see there have been a div. Now this thing happens that I have mismatched the background color to white. So as you can see there have been a rectangle at the top left corner, and now I am changing this value to bottom, means it will come to the bottom side. Here after saving it, as you can see the preview, now left will be 50% so that you can change the coordinates according to your desire. So here I am putting the transform translate -50 x translate -50% so that div will be center. Here in this putting the rotate, as we all know that the positive value of the rotate will act in the clockwise direction. So here as you can see the preview, now select this class. Here in this put a transform, sorry 3D, no, I don't want this 3D to be act. Now putting the translate Y, automatically it is 10 pixel, then changing its value according to the desired. Here the result come to be maximum at 23 pixel. Just copy it and then paste it into the CSS. So here I have pasted in after home key, then tab. After saving it, as you can see the preview, now we are going to style this thing. Now I am changing the color is none by default. Here I am putting the border 2 pixel solid white, so that you will be able to understand what is actually happening there. So after backing, putting a border and then border top, we all know that rotate will act in the clockwise direction, so the bottom will be shift towards the left side, left bottom, as similar as right. I hope that you will be able to catch whether I am telling what to you. Here I am putting the background as same as I have put in my body section. So as you can see, our desired product is here. We have created this, and according to your choice you can increase its widths or do anything whatever you want. Thanks for watching for this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, and I have a daily video update in this channel, so that your web development knowledge will be increased. And at last I want to say that you have to practice. Until you know practice, it will not.